All right, another indefinite integral. Before we begin, we'd like to get this x out of radical form. That 6 root of x is the same as the 6 root of x to the 1. Butterfingers here. Well, we could translate that out of radical form and call that the antiderivative of x to the 1 over 6. And take that 5th root of x to the 4th and write it in exponential form as x to the 4/5 power. Say it again. Okay, to integrate, we're just going to use that power rule and add 1 to the power, and then divide by whatever number we've got. We'll add 1 to this power and divide by what is that number? Well, 1 whole is the same as 6 over 6. So that is 1/6 plus 6/6, which is 7/6. And we'll divide by 7/6. Now then this 4/5, when we add 1 to it, we're adding 5/5. And 4/5 plus 5/5 gives us 9/5. And we'll divide by that 9/5. Now when we divide by a fraction, that's the same as multiplying by the reciprocal. So we'll call this 6/7 x to the 7/6 plus 5/9 x to the 9/5. And what have I forgotten? The constant of integration. All right, well, this is our antiderivative. The bird is going wild.